Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost AirPods using Find My Instant Fix step by step clearly. To find your lost AirPods using the Find My app, start by ensuring you have your iPhone or iPad nearby. Open the Find My app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for your AirPods in the list of devices displayed. If your AirPods are nearby, select them to see their current location on the map. If they are connected and powered, you will have the option to play a sound. Tap on Play Sound, and your AirPods will emit a sound to help you locate them. Listen closely and follow the sound until you find your AirPods. If your AirPods are not within range or are out of battery, the last known location will be displayed on the map. From there, you can go to that location and check if they are still there. If the location is marked, you can click on Directions to get navigation assistance. Keep in mind that if the AirPods are offline, you will see the last location they were connected. In this case, monitor the location periodically, as you can receive notifications if they come back online. For additional tips, ensure your AirPods are charged and that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. In summary, open the Find My app, locate your AirPods, and use the sound feature. If not, check their last known location and follow up accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.